In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a KPI dashboard in Power BI. A KPI, or Key Performance Indicator, is a quick way to track whether an important metric is on target and how it's trending over time. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clear, visual snapshot of performance that decision makers can understand at a glance. Start by opening Microsoft Power BI. The desktop app is ideal for building reports because it gives you full control over visuals and data modeling. Make sure you've got the dataset you want to work with available, and close any pop-ups so the report canvas is front and center. Next, open your report. This can be an existing file you've been working on or a report connected to your data model. If you're using an existing model, confirm that the fields you'll use for KPIs, like your main metric, a date field for trend, and an optional goal, are present. It's a good idea to work on a copy if you're experimenting. On the right side, click on Data. This reveals your tables and fields so you can see exactly what's available. You'll typically find numeric measures such as sales, revenue, or conversion rate, alongside dimensions like date, region, or product. If you hover over fields, Power BI often shows data types and a quick preview, which helps you pick the right ones. Select a data field, then drag it onto the report canvas. Choose the primary metric you want to track, such as total sales, or average handle time. When you drag a numeric field, Power BI will automatically aggregate it, usually as a sum or average. Don't worry about fine-tuning yet. The KPI visual will take care of the format once we switch visuals. If you also know the date field you'll use for your trend, keep it in mind. You'll drag that in shortly too. Now click on Visualization. This opens the Visualizations pane, where you choose how your data is displayed and where you'll control the settings for your KPI card. Finally, click on KPI. The visual on the canvas will convert into a KPI card. The field you dragged becomes the indicator, which is the main value displayed. For a trend line, drag your date field into the trend axis so the KPI shows progress over time. If you have a target or goal measure, drag it into the target field to unlock status colors and variants, making it instantly clear whether you're ahead or behind. That's it. You've created a KPI dashboard in Power BI that highlights your key metric, its direction, and performance against a target, all in one glance.